Hello everyone, it's Miss Virginia here with another episode of Babytime Buzz. Again, I hope everyone is doing okay. Well, are you excited that the fall season is here? Well, I know I am. I'm looking forward to the cooler weather. Do you see what I have here? Oh, you see these at the grocery stores. Oh, and I see that there's probably a pumpkin patch coming around. Yeah, opening soon. So, in the Round Rock area. So, yeah, do you see my pumpkin? Oh, it's a nice orange pumpkin, just right for me. Well, speaking of pumpkins, I have a rhyme that we can do together. And this is so much fun to do. It's an action rhyme, and it's called Pumpkin Pumpkin. So here we go. Ready? Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin bread. Oh, let's hold up that loaf of pumpkin bread. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin head. Can you tap your head? There it is. Yay! Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin pie. Oh, a pie is nice and round. Oh, it looks good, doesn't it? Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. I see you. I see you. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin eye. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin cake. Oh, look at my tall slice of pumpkin cake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin shake. Can you shake? Shake, 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 shake. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin stew. Oh, let's stir that pot of stew. Oh my goodness, yes, of pumpkin stew. Yes. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Boo! Oh, did I scare you? I hope I didn't. Yay! All right. I like that little action rhyme, and I hope that you do that one at home. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to do with your little ones. Okay, so this is an animal that you see outside all over the place. I mean, they're all over Round Rock, right? And I bet you know what I'm talking about. Are you ready? Can you see what I have here? A little gray squirrel. Oh my goodness, and you see them outside, and they are gathering acorns and getting ready for the winter. Yeah, I have two little gray squirrels. Oh, do you see their bushy tails? Yeah. So here we have two little gray squirrels sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Run away, Jack. Run away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Oh, there he is. Come back, Jill. Yay! Oh my goodness, here they are. They're giving a high five to one another. Practicing social distancing, right? Yep. All right, well, I hope that you have enjoyed these fall rhymes, and I hope that you do them with your little ones. And like with this one here, just use your little fingers, or you can use any of their stuffed animals that they may have and do that at home, okay? So until next time, stay warm. Hopefully we'll get cooler weather. Stay warm, and we'll see you then. Bye.